Hey Stitching Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are making the Charlotte Panties Style 3, the full lace version. We will finish the waistline with picot elastic for more delicate look. The pattern and DIY kits are linked in description and don't forget to check out the style 1 and 2 if you haven't already. Now let's jump right in. For this style you will need 1.5 meters of stretch lace, then a small piece of lining fabric and 1 meter of picot elastic. And cut 2 front, 2 back and 1 crotch piece from the lace. And 1 crotch piece also from the lining fabric. Then place your lace and lining crotch piece right sides together and pin and sew the longer edges. Then mark the back piece placement onto the front one. Then place the front pieces right sides together and pin and sew the center front seam. Then top stitch the center front seam. You can use longer stitch, but not the longest one. Turn your crotch piece to the right side. Then place your front piece right side, facing the right side of the crotch one. And sew the crotch seam. Then place the edge of your back piece onto the mark we made at the front piece and pin or baste both layers together. And do the same also on the other side. Take your picot elastic and we can move to regular sewing machine. Place your picot elastic right side down, so it's facing the right side of your lace or main fabric. And finish the waistline. Try to sew as close as you can to the decorative edge. You can gently stretch the elastic as you go, as always. At this point we can remove the back piece placement marks because it's already sewn together and trim the seam allowance. Then fold the elastic to the wrong side and stitch the waistline again. Place the back pieces right sides together and pin and sew the back center seam. And the crotch seam as well. And backstitch all seams with a straight stitch. At this point you can also stitch the back seam to one side, or the seam allowance. And if you like a cleaner finish, you can top stitch the front crotch seam. It also helps to not roll or flip during wear. And our Charlotte Panties Style 3, completely made out from lace, are done. Let's try them on.